At BMW, we share a passion for changing the way the world moves. Maintaining a strict commitment to quality while continuously growing the team can be challenging. We're looking for the most innovative training methods to ensure our associates are prepared to perform. This is why we decided to bring immersive learning to BMW. It's like having one-on-one coaching in the real world while getting immediate feedback. Trainers get access to unique immersive data, and we can really understand what our associates know and don't know and adapt the training for continuous improvement. VR-based immersive learning aids our associates' experience and engagement at work, so we can do what we do best: build premium BMWs for the world.